What's good, y'all? Welcome to Lit Lamping with Geannie. I am so excited to be whipping it up with these beautiful ladies up in these kitchens.
Are you
today.
really?
I am. What? So today joining us, I have the beautiful Anissa. What are you cooking for us today, girl?
Hey, okay, so I made one of my favorite things. One of my favorite dishes from my childhood is called Jollof Rice. And Jollof Rice, my father's from Ghana, so I'm Ghanaian, so I made a Ghanaian version of it. There's different ones, you know, there's Nigerian Jollof, there's I think Cameroonian, Senegalese Jollof, you know, just all across the Ivory Coast, they make Jollof Rice. So, you know, personally, I might be partial. I think Ghanaian's the best. You know, there's normally a feud between the Ghanaians and the Nigerians over whose Jollof reigns supreme.
Okay.
But I will tell you today.
Oh! Did that?
They brought the passport out, okay? Brought the customs out. That's what I'm saying. Okay. So basically, this, like most West African food, it's like a pepper, tomato-based dish, and that's where this rice gets this beautiful color from. You know, I use jasmine rice. You can use like basmati rice or whatever, but I use jasmine rice with some red bell peppers, tomatoes, some ginger. Just has a really broad, deep flavor. It's spicy. I like it spicy, but I didn't make it too spicy because, you know, everyone has different spice tolerances.
Produce you'll need is habanero peppers, some fresh ginger, fresh red peppers, as well as red onions. As for spices, you'll need some ground ginger, black pepper, oregano leaves, ground cumin, and fine Himalayan pink salt. We will also be using an oil mix of coconut and avocado oils, some paprika, curry powder, ground red hot pepper, and vegetable broth, some chicken Maggi seasoning, some Szechuan Goya cilantro and tomato sauce, some tomato paste.
So we're basically going to begin rinsing the rice off. You want to rinse all the starch off the rice until the water becomes clear. Then cut your red peppers to get them ready to blend. So now in the blender I have some cut red onions, fresh ginger, peppers, and tomato. I'm then going to add some oil in there to allow the mix to blend. Now, in order for this to work correctly, you do not want no cheap ass shit. So try to invest in a very good quality blender to have your paste very smooth. And this is how the finished paste will look. Then add some oil as the pan is heating. Throw some fresh onions in there as well. Then you're going to add some paprika, the hot curry, and the red hot pepper seasoning all into the oil mix. And you're going to thoroughly mix that until it all kind of dissolves. Then you're going to add your tomato and cilantro seasoning, as well as the Szechuan mix. Add some black pepper as well. You're going to throw in some ground ginger, and all the other spices. You do not want your onion and spices to burn, so be sure to keep it on medium heat as well. Then add some tomato paste. We used a whole can of that. Mix. Now add your blended paste into the onion mix.
Stir it up.
You're gonna add your washed rice into the mix and thoroughly mix that in. After your rice and paste is thoroughly mixed in, you are then going to want to cover it. And you will want it to cook for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the rice is thoroughly cooked. But please be sure to keep an eye on it. Then you're going to add some vegetable broth into the mix just so it can add some flavor and moisture. So after the rice is cooking, this is its final outcome. Some delicious, tasty, amazing, flavorful jollof rice. I thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you so much for watching this video and checking it out. We have more recipes coming for you guys, so be sure to stay tuned. If you try this recipe at home, let me know how it goes. Thank you guys.